Good morning, sir. I am going to introduce about the parts and functions of polygraph machine. My name is John Russell P. Bokya, and this is the parts and functions of the polygraph machine. What is a polygraph machine? A polygraph machine is commonly known as lie detector. It is an instrument used to record physiological responses of a person while answering the question. It does not directly detect lies, but it's a measure in changes and breathing. It is either blood pressure, pulse, and skin reaction that may indicate stress of deception. The first part is the thoracic pneumograph. When we talk about thoracic pneumograph, it is a sensor placed around the chest to monitor our upper respiratory activity. The thoracic pneumograph's function it measures the breathing rate and breathing pattern in the chest area, and any sudden change in breathing may indicate emotional stress. Next is the abdominal pneumograph. The abdominal pneumograph is a sensor that is placed around the stomach area to monitor the lower respiratory activity. This records the breathing movement from the abdomen, and it helps confirming irregular breathing patterns during questioning. Next is the cardiovascular blood pressure cuff. Blood pressure cuff is a device wrapped around the upper arm. Its function it measures the mean blood pressure, the pulse rate, and pulse strength. An increase in blood pressure or rate may suggest nervousness or anxiety. Next is the electrodermal sensor. As this is a sensors that are electrodes attached to fingers to measure skin resistance. They detect sweat glands activity when a person becomes nervous, sweating increases, changing the skin, and electrical conductivity. Next is the infrared photoelectric seismograph. This is a finger sensor that used to detect infrared light to measure the blood volume changes. This photoelectric plethysmograph, it monitors the blood's volume and circulation changes. It helps detect subtotal cardiovascular reactions. Next is the movement and motion. These sensors are placed on the chair or seat area. This is when a person sits, the seat area. These detect physical body movement or countermeasures that this prevents the examiner from intentionally moving to manipulate the test results. In conclusion, the polygraph machine works by simultaneously reading respiratory, cardiovascular, electrodermal, and movement responses. These physiological changes are analyzed by a trained examiner to determine possible deception. That's all, sir, and God bless. Thank you.